Next question, question 7. Consider the following statements. Good voice is a natural gift, but one has to keep practicing to improve and excel well in the field of music. That is the statement given. Conclusions are: 1. Natural gifts needs nurturing and care. Even though one's second conclusion is, even though one's voice is not good, one can keep practicing. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the statements and conclusion is the question. So only conclusion 1 follows, only conclusion 2 follows, either conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows, neither conclusion 1 or conclusion 2 follows. That is the options given. Okay, so we'll see what is the statement. Good voice is a natural gift, but one has to keep practicing to improve and excel well in the field of music. That is the question. That is the statement. So first statement, first conclusion is natural gifts need nurturing and care. That is first conclusion. So that is a possible conclusion we can derive from the statement. Since good voice is a natural gift, it is given, and then it continues to say one has to keep practicing to improve and excel well. Which is in turn saying natural gifts need nurturing and care. So that is possible. And second statement, even though one's voice is not good, one can keep practicing. That may sound reasonable statement, but it is not implied in the given statement. There is nothing mentioned about what will happen if a person without good voice keep practicing. That is not mentioned anywhere from the given statement. That is not mentioned. Even though this could be reasonable according to you, or this is a logical statement according to you, it cannot be derived from the given statement. So we cannot say 2 can be derived from the given statement. So that is all we need to check, whether we can derive this conclusion from the given statement. Whether that conclusion is valid outside the statement is not something that we should consider. Okay, so in that aspect, our answer would be A, only conclusion 1 follow from the statement. So solution to question 7 is A, only conclusion 1 follow from the statement.